We have to find marginal revenue for product, and we have given that x is 400 and increases by 4. So we will use definite integral. We will have integral from 400 to 404, and our formula is dr over dx, and integral we have respect to x. So this is equal. Now we have to substitute dr over dx by the given formula. So we have integral from 400 to 404, 85, and in parentheses we have 10 plus 800 over x dx. So this is equal. Constant we can take before integral symbol, so we have 85, and we have integral from 400 to 404 of 10 plus, and we have, I can put first 800 times 1 over x with respect to x. So this is equal 85, and integral of sum is equal sum of integrals, so we will put in brackets. Integral of 10 is with respect to x is 10x, and we have plus constant, we will copy 800, and integral of 1 over x is natural logarithm of absolute value of x, and we have to plug upper and lower limits, so we have from 400 to 404. So this is equal. First we have to plug upper limit. 85 we will copy, and in brackets we will have, let me put parentheses. In parentheses first we will put upper limit, so it will be 10 times 404 plus 800 times natural logarithm. We don't need this absolute value bars because we have positive value. And now we have to subtract from the upper limit lower limit. So now we substitute x's by 400. So we have 10 times 400 plus 800 times natural logarithm of 400 close brackets. So this is equal. You can use calculator. We have 85 times, and in parentheses we will have 10 times 404 plus 800 times natural logarithm of 404, and next we have minus 10 times 400, and negative and positive give me negative, so we have negative sign, and we have 800 times natural logarithm of 400 close parentheses. This is equal 4076.6, and of course we have to add dollar symbol. This is my solution.